What's going on here then? Fire?
Broken down piece of car. Looked like it's going to catch.
It smells like burning, doesn't it? It definitely smells like it. More than just a clutch or something, isn't it? It's like electrical.
Yeah, I think it's one of the engines that's pissing oil out into something.
That's it. Turbo usually, in it on something like that.
That's what you get when you buy quality cars like Virgin.
Wow, this looks like quite a new one. Is it 3 years old? What was you doing, going from Ross to Hereford? End of the shift as well, I bet.
No.
That's what it is. Yeah, anything special? We're pretty confident that it's a fluid leak that's gone from the turbo, which is obviously...
There you go, turbo.
You're right. When I literally put up here, cyclist on our left, slowed down, and car behind, and I pulled him over, so he was flying up behind me, and then just whomped inside. And then my colleague was about 2 minutes behind me, just sort of smoked. Nothing came up on the back or anything like that. Yeah. I'd imagine it's had some sort of mechanical failure. Say that to my Sarge, it's not my fault. Yeah, too right.
To tow that one away then, I guess.
Yeah, I know, another one.
Yeah. Ross on wide.
So we've got to go to do another job just a minute ago. It's only grade 2, so we'll head out there. And then, read the log that we're attached to. We're just keeping the air out. There's a Hereford job, there's just no property. But yeah, just keeping the air out for us. And yeah, if you leave that in the backyard, when I get back, I'll chuck all the kit into the...
You might need the van.
No, if need be, we've got Levery that can come down and support. Oh, today? Not for this job. Oh, no. It's not on a rest or anything.
Okay.
But I'll jump in with Tim then, and then we'll cruise on that way.
Alright,
thank you.
You gotta leave it there and get it recovered then, have you?
Yes.
Recovery's on the way. Apparently they're quite quick today. They're not a million miles away. It's just embarrassing, isn't it?
Well, it is what it is, isn't it? Fusos.
I'm not going to comment on it.
Not like the days when they had the BMs and the Mercs and stuff like that, you know?
BMs, but obviously we're a sponsor, so we didn't get the cool cars. They're our newest motors, is the Rollers.
Yeah.
I love it.
To be honest. They're really, really nice motors.
Did you go into a job there?
Yeah, it was a grade 3, I think, actually. But we just turned up together and then just started smoking, and that was it.
Yeah, they put the turbos on the wrong side on those.
I'll do that,
Fusos, they stick it on the front, yeah. I don't know why they've always done it. And then you get the leaks, the oil on the exhaust pipe. It's just... When I said straight away, but I know what it is. It'll be the turbo.
Better when it's smoking.
It did, yeah. At least it didn't pick up the oil, you know, for the turbo and then accelerate itself, because then that, you know, that destroys it. That'd probably be an easy fix. It'd be like a hose or something, wouldn't it?
I'm open, so
Yeah.
I'm really... Let me just chuck some in the car and then...
Anyway, good luck, guys. Thanks a lot.
Yourself, mate. Yeah, I was driving up here, and there was a cyclist about here, and a load of cars.